Hi, Professor. I'm going to explain the project that we have with my teammate Daniel Sanchez. The project is called Magia Rosa, Tienda de Detalles. That project is on a website that when different roles can edit different information depending on the role that that person has in the company. Um, this is very important because you can modify, for example, and a seller can modify how many products sell sold. So that is the importance of that project. And another role like the master user or root user can change another things like what person can see that can see it and a feature of the software. So that is the importance of that software. So I'm gonna to enter to the roots to the root users. The root user is Daniel Sanchez, my teammate. So the password, I'm gonna to enter the password of the project. Oh, sorry, open height, start season. That is the main landing page of the root user, who is Daniel. And here is the first page. If I enter to Daniel Eduardo, I'm sorry, you can see the home and contact page, but in that case, I am going to enter to personal data. In that personal data, Daniel or the user who entered here can edit the personal information, the phone, the address, the email, the additional information. That change you can that change will be the will be showed here. So in about me, with the phone, the address, the email, and the additional information. So another feature that we have is the user management. And that user management, Daniel, can delete users and ascend or descend users. We have a structure which first one is the administrator, and the another role is the bench seller, and an independent role is root, because the root user here root user is the user that can change the different users in the application. So I can delete an users and ascend or descend an user to administrator or seller. So I can look search for a user. I don't know, lady. I, you can see that I can find that user, Lady Danielle, and point, and it works just with the name. Okay. Also, I can do the management of the product. I can search for a product, and also I can create a product. If I create a product, I can put the bed and put here delicious, delicious bread, and the price of that delicious bread. So I can save that product, save, and that is the functionality of that. Here, that is our project. I'm going to close season. I am gonna enter with another user, like lady. She is a seller, and you can see that I can enter here. like with another user like Lady Jurani that has different permission, different options to enter to the products management, to the user management, or and so on. So I'm gonna to close the season, and basically that is our project. So I'm going to show the databases that are work that those are working in that project. There is the connections to the databases in SQL. Uh, Here I am. I was we was going we were creating the tables already, and the idea of the product, the idea of of the person who gave us the product to our store. Also, we have the different things. Here we have the user information. Here is the username, the the password, the phone, another fields like street and email. So that is very important. That's why I know we know the different passwords, and you can see that how we can create the different fields like with integers, date time, bar chart. So that is very 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 important. And you can see that we enter it in a local host, and because we have that project in a in a computer, in the computer, not in the internet like Google. No, we have all the information in that file. So in that file we have the model, the JS, the image. Here is the image of the login page, for example, and another like the logo of the store, the logo of the user. So that is an interesting part. Also, we have the controller, the login, the CSS, that is the style of the website, and also it is allocated in SAMP. SAMP is a virtual environment where we can simulate an internet for that project. So in SAMP we can simulate that we have there you have the project in internet, but we have a local host, so we are in a local in the local, not in the CRUD or in internet. So that is our project. Thanks for watching that video. If you have any question, you can feel free for contacting me or for contacting us. And thank you very much. Also, sorry. Also, we have an instructive for understand who wants who is necessary, what things are necessary for run that website. But I think that is very that thing is much more technical, and I think that is most important to show the functionalities of the websites. So thank you for watching, and see you later. Thanks.